Imagine a world where flavors dance on your tongue in ways never imagined. A world where every bite is a new adventure, a symphony of taste and texture. That's the promise of microfluidics, a groundbreaking technology that manipulates tiny drops of liquid with incredible precision. Think of it as culinary architecture, where chefs and scientists use miniature channels to build food, drop by delicious drop, creating intricate designs and complex flavors. Microfluidics allows us to play with food in exciting and innovative ways, pushing the boundaries of culinary creativity. We can create bubbles that burst with intense flavors, releasing a cascade of taste sensations with every bite, or tiny capsules that deliver a burst of nutrition, ensuring that every meal is not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. It's about precision and control, pushing the boundaries of what food can be and redefining the culinary experience. This isn't just science fiction, it's happening now. The future of food is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Chefs and scientists are teaming up to create dishes that are as beautiful as they are delicious, combining art and science in every plate. Microfluidics is revolutionizing the way we experience food, transforming every meal into a masterpiece of flavor and innovation. Imagine biting into a bubble that explodes with the taste of your favorite cocktail, releasing a burst of flavor that surprises and delights your senses. That's the magic of microfluidic bubbles, a culinary innovation that combines science and art. These delicate spheres hold intense flavors, waiting to be released. Each bubble is a tiny, flavorful explosion. We create these bubbles using tiny channels, precisely controlling the flow of liquids to form perfect spheres, carefully layering flavors within each sphere. This meticulous process ensures a balanced and harmonious taste. It's like blowing glass, but with food. The craftsmanship involved is both intricate and fascinating. The result is a symphony of taste and texture, a culinary experience that is both unique and memorable. A burst of flavor that dances on your palate, creating a moment of pure gastronomic joy. These bubbles can be sweet or savory, offering endless possibilities for culinary creativity. Adding an element of surprise to any dish, they transform ordinary meals into extraordinary experiences. Imagine a salad sprinkled with balsamic vinegar bubbles, each bite bursting with tangy goodness, or a dessert adorned with tiny spheres of mango lassi, adding a refreshing and exotic twist to your sweet treat. Have you ever wished for a burst of flavor that hits you all at once? Imagine biting into a dish and experiencing an explosion of taste that dances on your palate. Microfluidic droplets make that possible. These tiny marvels of science are revolutionizing the culinary world. These tiny capsules are like flavor bombs, delivering a concentrated taste sensation. Each droplet is meticulously crafted to hold intense flavors. Think of them as miniature versions of those flavor-filled boba pearls you find in bubble tea. But instead of just tea, they can hold a myriad of flavors. We can encapsulate anything from fruit juices to spices, creating tiny explosions of flavor in every bite. Imagine the burst of fresh fruit juice or the kick of a spice, all in a single droplet. These droplets can be incorporated into sauces, desserts, or even cocktails. They add a new dimension to culinary creations, making each dish a unique experience. Imagine a spoonful of vanilla ice cream dotted with tiny capsules of espresso, each bite offering a delightful contrast of flavors, or a gin and tonic garnished with droplets of elderflower liqueur. The possibilities are endless. These tiny drops are making a big impact in the world of gastronomy, transforming the way we experience food and drink. Microfluidic capsules are more than just flavor bombs. They can also protect and preserve nutrients, ensuring that every bite is as healthy as it is delicious. Imagine a world where vitamins and minerals are protected from the elements, delivered directly to your taste buds. These capsules act like tiny time capsules, locking in freshness and nutritional value. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we fortify food. We can create capsules that deliver essential nutrients to those who need them most, such as children or the elderly.